Hello friends, peace be upon you all. Friends, some dimensions, or measurements are, in front of you. Passport size photograph, if to be made and printed. These are the measurements. Width of passport size photo is 3.5 centimeters. And height is 4.5 centimeters. From the top, 3 to 5 millimeters area should white. And in this area, which is 32 to 36 millimeters, your face should be between 32 and 36 millimeters. And the rest of the body should be in this area. Let's see how to make a passport size photo in Photoshop. And then how to print. Create a new document. Keep it in centimeters. Width is 3.5. Height is 4.5 and resolution is 300 pixels/inch. Color mode, RGB color. Background contents is white, then create it. Right-click on the ruler, and convert it to millimeters. Bring guide down between 3 to 5 millimeters. Bring another guide between 35 to 36 millimeters, this area should have face. Get your photo embedded in place. Take your own, or any image, just to understand. Your head, or face should be up to the guide above. Drag image and adjust face between guides. It is adjusted in between 30 or 32, or between 30 to 35 millimeters, and then press Enter. Press Ctrl+0 to fit in screen. Then go to View, Guides, then click on Clear Guides. Because we don't need guides anymore, select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. Now, we need to create selection. Press Ctrl+A to select all. Then go to Select, Modify, Contract. Contract selection by 10 to 12 pixels. Check Apply Effect at Canvas Bounds. Press OK to contract selection. Press Ctrl+Shift+I to invert this selection. Create a solid color layer with white. A frame will be created on your photo in a way. Go to FX icon and choose Drop Shadow. Click on Drop Shadow. Blend mode is multiply with black color and opacity is 100%. Angle is 90 degree. Make value 0 for distance. And spread, but size is 3 pixels. Press OK and see a drop shadow on frame. An effect of drop shadow. Select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then press Ctrl+C to copy. Now, create another new document. At the top, you can see recent, saved, photo, print, etc. Click on Print. A4 is on right side with 300 ppi. Usually photographers use it for printing. Select it and then Create. Press Ctrl+V to paste copied image. Since the background is white, and the background of the image is also white, it is difficult to place image on right area. Create a solid color layer with any other color, except white, so that we can place the image correctly. With the help of Move tool, place image in left corner. Press Alt and hold, then make copies of image and attach with each other. Place all 6 images at the top of document. Select all 6 layers, then press Ctrl+E to merge. Now, press Ctrl+Alt+T. Transform controls will open. I will tell you why I open transform controls with Ctrl+Alt+T. Press Shift and make a copy of 6 images and bring it down. Then press Enter. Attach below layer nicely with above layer, and smart guides will show you. Press Ctrl+0 to fit in screen. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T multiple times. This way, your photos will be pasted. Adjust them all. Select all 6 layers, and press Ctrl+E to merge. You have 36 images now. Don't need solid color layer, so delete it. Then go to File, Print. If you have a color printer, check Scale to fit media. Finally, click on Print. You should know what paper is used for the photo. It is usually found in the market. You get 36 images for very cheap. This is 100% zoom. And here is fit to screen. If you do not have printer, then save this document as PDF. Suppose name of file is passport size. Select where you want to save. Click on Save, then Save PDF. Go to location where you save PDF file. Double-click to open it, and you can save it in USB flash drive. These 36 photos, by paying a small amount from a printer. Then cut them into 36 photos. If you have your own printer, then well and good, and if not, then save as PDF. Usually photographer need file in PDF format for printing. Should not in JPG or PNG format. Save it as PDF, and if you want, then save as JPG as well. Export it, save for web, legacy. You can see size of JPG image in pixels. You can also save it as a JPG. Save in both PDF and JPG format. So here is JPG image. But I would say that the file should be in PDF format for printing. PDF format gives better quality. This way, we can create passport size image in Photoshop. You might like this video. Keep these measurements in mind. If you like video, then hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.